It's 2 a.m., you're mid-clutch, and the only thing standing between you and a very angry roommate is the sound of your keyboard. I've been there. So I went digging through hundreds of listings to find the quietest, smoothest mechanical keyboards and switches you can actually game on at night without waking up the entire house. These are the 5 that impressed me the most, and honestly, some of these deals surprised me. Starting off with the REDRAGON SMD Switch Pack, and this is the cheapest way to fix a loud keyboard without replacing it. You get a choice of linear, tactile, or silent reds, and if you go with the silent variety, the difference is night and day. That mushy dampener inside kills the bottom-out noise almost completely. At $42.46 for a set, with over 4,800 sold and a 4.9 rating, this is the move if you already own a hot-swappable board and just want the noise gone by tonight. Next up, the AULA S75 Pro, and this thing is a whole vibe. It's a 75% layout with a little LED screen and a control knob, hot-swappable sockets, PBT keycaps that don't get shiny, and a 4000 mAh battery that'll last you weeks. It's wireless too, so you can pull it onto the couch. At $483.74 it's the premium pick here, no question, but nearly 4,800 people bought it and it's still sitting at 4.9 stars. If you want one keyboard that does everything and sounds deep and muted, this is it. Then there's the GMK67, and this is the enthusiast favorite for a reason. It's a 65% gasket-mounted kit, which means the plate basically floats on silicone, and that's what gives you that soft, funky sound instead of a hollow rattle. You get Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB, plus full hot swap so you can drop in whatever silent switches you like. It's $293.95, and with 4,438 sold it's one of the most trusted custom kits out there. Great starting point if you want to build rather than buy. The AULA F87 Pro is the one I'd recommend to most gamers, honestly. It's a 75% TKL layout, so you keep your function row and arrow keys but lose the number pad, which frees up serious mouse space. It's gasket-mounted, hot-swappable, wireless with Bluetooth, and the 2024 colorways look genuinely good on a desk. At $398.31 it sits right between the GMK67 and the S75 Pro, and with 4,156 sold and a 4.9 rating, it's a safe buy. Sound out of the box is already dampened, no mods needed. And finally, Gateron Milky Pro switches. If you've never swapped switches before, start here. These come pre-lubed from the factory, which is the single biggest factor in how quiet and smooth a keyboard feels, and the POM housing gives you the deep, muted tone instead of a sharp click. Milky Yellow Pro or Red Pro, both linear, both perfect for gaming. They're $38.22, the cheapest thing on this list, and almost 3,900 people have already grabbed them. Best value upgrade you can make, full stop. All the links are down in the description, and prices on these do move around, so it's worth checking before they change. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe, I've got more gear breakdowns like this coming. Thanks for watching, and go win that late night match quietly.